section 2 of this video editing course. I'll be taking you through the 5 stages of video editing. In video editing, you need to make sure that you have stages which you pass through to get your footages from the editing stage down to the exporting stage. Now, these 5 stages of video editing is going to put you through everything you need to know about editing and the 5 stages you need to pass through every time you get your hand on a footage or a film you want to work on. Let's begin this section with the 5 stages of video editing. The first stage of video editing is called loading. The first thing you have to do is to load your footage. This is where you sort through all the source video materials, cut through all the unusable clips, group them together in bins, then label the bins accordingly. That way, when you're searching for a specific take, let's say from a scene you planned when you were shooting, you'll be able to arrange them according to their bins. Let's say camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4. So you'll be able to know where all your footages are stored and how to also organize yourself. During post-production, you get yourself worked up whenever you don't arrange your footages or you don't load your footages well. So it's best to always find a way to load your footage in different cameras and in different bins. In that way, when you're searching for a specific take from a specific scene later on, you can actually save the hassle of searching through a whole lot of video scenes to just find the one you want. Now, I'll be showing you a practical way of loading as we'll be discussing it. So let's say these are scenes from 40 footages I got from videvo.net. I will be loading them instantly. So I'll come up here. I'm zooming it in so you can see whatever I'm doing very clearly. So I'll come up here. This is my downloaded videos. I'll come up here. Once I come up here, I'll be able to create a bin. This is called a bin. You can see it there, a bin. So once we create a bin, open it up, a new bin is created. Let's put it up as camera 1. Then let's create a new bin called camera 2. If I want to arrange all my shots according to the bin, I'll be able to take them one by one and arrange all of them how I want it to be. So that's just what you get from loading in your footage. Let's take this for example. We take one of this and we load it. Let's zoom in this. After creating your 2 bins, let's say camera 1, camera 2, you open up camera 1, then you can go back to your bin and drag any video you feel is best for camera 1. Let's say a video you shot from your camera 1, you come up here, you copy it, then you go to your camera 1 and you paste it here. Now it will help you in terms of organizing different camera shots. Let's say you took this on a DSLR and you took this on a mirrorless camera, or let's say you took this on a mirrorless camera and you shot this on a drone and you shot this on a drone too, but let's say a different camera, let's say 4K and HD. So in this aspect, you'll be separating every camera shots according to their camera specs, whether you've used the mirrorless camera or a DSLR, you separate all of them. Then the whole process of arranging them according to your camera shots is called loading. Now, this is very vital before you start any video editing project because it guides you on the steps you need to follow and the arrangement and the organization before you start a video editing project.